Just being able to see these big planes, turbines, knowing that like this is what I get to work on, I feel like it's such a liberating career, because I enjoy the part where I can do so many things. You can go from working in the exterior to the engine, to the turbines, to the tires, the landing gear. Everything has like its own place, and you are open to be good at everything that you want to be. AIM gave me an opportunity of having freedom with my life. I honestly didn't think I was gonna follow through with it at the beginning, because I got into it thinking like, oh, it's gonna be easy, but then it didn't feel easy. But I encouraged myself and I worked around it, and I was able to finish. Honestly, I look up to a lot of my teachers. It's very crucial, when a teacher takes the time to talk to you about doing better. I think it just shows that they want you to succeed, and they see the succession that you can bring in your life. It was really nice, very comforting. Anybody and everybody can do this job, and I feel like anybody who wants to get into it should get into it. I enjoy being able to know that I will have a secure future with this.